Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is July the 15th, 2021, and you guys already know from the thumbnail that we are going to give you the price prediction and Tilray. Has the price bottomed over the last couple of days? Because obviously, take a look at this volume. We need to see what in the world is happening into the market in Tilray with all of this volume coming through. Can we expect the market to bottom, or can we expect the price to continue to go lower? Because one thing, our community, we did not get caught off guard. We already anticipated the weakness in Tilray to continue from our last price prediction, which was on July the 4th. So we was there. We expected this. So we're not surprised. While everyone else is running around trying to question what happened, this is the reason why Tilray went lower. We could care less. We was already there to grab the bag from the trap. So today, if it is your first time ever seeing our video and our content, you guys will realize that we're not here to pump you up. We're not here to give any hype, any FUD, any FOMO. We're not trying to play on your emotions. We're simply playing on these price charts and dominating in the stock market. Now, if you want to learn more, if you want to join our team, hit that like button, share it, and also subscribe. If you want to learn more, we're here. The doors are open. We're not here just to get clicks. We're not here just to get subscribers. We're here to assist everyone who wants to participate in our team or on our team, because this is a battle. This is a competition. Whenever you come into the stock market or cryptocurrencies, this is what you're going to endure. You have to have a team. You got to have the competitive advantage against your opponent in order to win. So if you want to be on our team, the doors are open, right? Or you can join the other YouTube channels or some other team if you think you get the advantage over there. But understandably, we're pretty powerful on this side. So join us. So now, let me go ahead and get rid of this arrow right here. You guys can tell we already hit our ultimate TP price yesterday into the market until rate 7.25%. If we were to get out right now to where the market closed yesterday, we'll have about 13. Cool. All right, move on to the next one. All right, let's go ahead and see what we're getting into the market until right now. Let me take this to a wider time frame, because we need to determine if the price in Tilray is holding support, right? Because first things first, we broke the trend. Okay, see that? The market in Tilray has already broken its overall ascending line, which is negative. Yeah, we're one of the realest stock prediction channels out here. If the market's going to go low, we're going to tell you. We're not going to hype you up and think everything is rainbows, cupcakes, and everything always goes higher in price, because clearly that's not the case in Tilray. Ever since February of this year, price in Tilray has been on the downside, has been going lower. And if you want to be real with yourself, you need to recognize that as well. Okay, so we're breaking the trend, which is not a good thing to see. But it doesn't mean that we can't profit even when price goes lower, because you definitely can. This is the 5-day. So what I'm seeing into the market in Tilray is that we're bouncing off the support area around $15.15, give or take, right? That is where it is. Now, given that we're trading weak around $15.16, what would be the next logical area? Exactly, right there around $13.17 to 12. Those are the two areas that we need to eye the market in Tilray coming to. $13 and like 17 cents to 12. That's where we're headed. That's where we're expecting the price to go. It's just that easy, it's just that simple. Because if the market in Tilray was really strong, if we really wanted to see this market trend higher in price, we would not be seeing the market close below our trend. That is a very negative aspect. That tells me that the market is switching over from where we were seeing the price go higher to where now we might expect to see some lower prices. Okay, and then going forward, this trend, this ascending line, will play a role as restriction rather than support, because we broke that line to the downside. Okay, so this is the 2-day time frame. We got 9 hours and 41 minutes left. So again, right now, yeah, the market in Tilray is giving us some weakness. But we have to be cognizant that the market, in fact, today may actually try to come back up above our ascending line, which will invalidate our prediction. So that's pretty much what we need to be on guard for. It's seeing the market in Tilray come back up above and trade alongside that ascending line today. So let's go ahead and do this. So we're going to play the weakness again in the market in Tilray, just like we did earlier. And we said that $13.17 would be first. That's about 12% movement there to all the way down to 12. Okay. Now I'm not seeing $12 right now. I'm really seeing that $13.17 area being touched for support. But if we still see that weakness around $13.17, then we understand that the trap is trying to take the price to 12. Right? So be prepared for that. So this is what we're being prepared for. This is what we're looking forward to over the next couple of days in Tilray, is seeing this price give us a little bit of weakness. So just relax. We are already in a position. We won't be caught off guard to see this market in Tilray continue to trend lower in price. First area TP, $13.17. The second area is going to be around 12. Okay. One of the biggest reasons why we're playing the weakness is because the market is showing us that it wants to break the overall upward line right here. So I'm going to keep the trend here though, because like I said, initially in the beginning of this prediction today, trading, Friday's trading, if the market comes back up into that ascending line, we need to go ahead and cut this prediction and move on, because the market is giving us a different idea. It's giving us a different movement from what we're anticipating. So that's why I'm going to keep that line there, so we can try to see the price action that occurs alongside that ascending line as the market trades today and going into tomorrow. Okay. So that's it. Questions, comments, you guys are part of our team now. I want you all to tell me, what are you seeing on the chart for Tilray? You know, drop your forecast as to where you think the price is going to go in Tilray over the next 2 weeks. In 2 weeks of trading, where will the price be? Like I said, we need to have a competitive advantage against our opponent. And our opponent is the trap, the one you see right there on the bottom left side of my screen. He's the one that we're going against. So how are you going to get there? How are you going to beat him to that position? Let us know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, we'll speak again on the next one. Peace.